During the conversion of rational numbers from non-recurring decimals to fraction, your first aim should be to express the given problems as a decimal fraction. What this implies is that you will need the denominator to be in the powers of 10, like 10, 100, 1000, tens of thousand, etc. In the examples that follow, I will demonstrate how you can tell exactly what a suitable denominator will be. So let's begin solving our problems by using the first example we have here. In the first example, we are asked to express the given decimal as rational numbers or fraction in simplest form. And the first example we'll have is example of 0.32. Now to solve this problem, I just bring out the first problem A and I write 0.32. I want to express this as a fraction or a rational number. So what this means, first of all, to begin, remove the decimal point and just write the full number as a whole number. So if I want to do that, the full number as a whole number, you can write it as 0.32, not a problem. It's all right. Now, when you do this, remember we want to express it as a decimal fraction, and the denominator must be in the powers of 10. Now, how to know what exactly the denominator will be is determined by how many numbers you have after the decimal point. And right here, we just have two digits, 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 means there are two different numbers after the decimal point. What this means is that our denominator is going to be 10 squared because there are two numbers, right? 10 raised to the power 2 is 100. So when you get to this level, all you need now is to simplify. We can't express this any further. So this is the simplest form. For question B, we have 14.965. 965. I already have a whole number part, but all I need to do first is remove the decimal point and express everything as a whole number. So you have 14965 like this. The denominator, you can write 1 down, then go and count. How many digits do you have after the decimal point? We have 3 digits. That means we have to add 3 zeros. It's the same thing as 10 raised to the power of 3. So at this point, all you need to do is to simplify this number. So I just write down the answer here. 2993 upon 200. 2993 upon 200. This can be left like this as the simplest form. Otherwise, you can also express it as a mixed fraction, which is the same thing as 14 whole 193 upon 200. 14 whole 193 upon 200. Like this. Whichever way you write it will be correct. And the third question, we have so many numbers coming after the decimal point, but the real number we are given first of all is 103.0807. Now, by this time, you already know what to do. Remove the decimal point and express the full number as the numerator. So I'll have 103.0807 as my numerator. While for my denominator, I write down 1 first and count how many digits that come after the decimal point. There are 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So to simplify this, I don't think there's any common factor that you have for the numerator and the denominator. Therefore, you can leave your answer exactly the way it is. Or one thing else you can do is to leave it as a mixed fraction. Now you use the D question for your practice exercise.